Hello Pike Road, I'm Gordon Stone, and it's a blessing, honor, and privilege to be your mayor. And what an exciting time it is. We're beginning to see these beautiful spring-like days, and that just makes us energized for what's ahead in our wonderful community. First, let's remember that there's an important vote on our ballot for our March election about our school renewal tax. We make sure that you check out our newsletter, contact the school, find out as much as you can about that. It is a very important vote for our school system. We want to make sure that we keep as many resources as we can available for our young people. Also, I want to remind you that we have so many great things happening at the school right now. Throughout our community, young people are being involved in so many different activities. I want to congratulate our sports teams for their success, and had so many good things happening with wrestling and basketball and other really exciting pieces of news going on at the school. So make sure you're involved. Congratulations to the show choir. So many activities. Please pay attention and get engaged wherever you can. Then on top of that, we want to remind you that we would love to have you at the following events. February 26th, Mondays with the Mayor. It is at F45 Training, which is in the public shopping center. What a great place for us to get together and chat and have lunch and answer your questions. So either tune into the radio and listen, or text us your questions, or call us, or even email at info@pikeroad.us, so we can be the most informed, communicated with community in Alabama. Also, February 27th is our seedling giveaway. Working with the Forestry Commission, we have tree seedlings, and we do this every year as a part of the Arbor celebration. Arbor Week is a big time for our Forestry Commission. It's something that they want to encourage tree planting, and we want to make sure that we make that available to the citizens of Pike Road. So don't forget to come by Founder Station where the seedlings will be. If you'd like to have a seedling, you can also email us, and our team will meet you at a designated time if that works best for you. On March 9th, we have our Easter Ornament Tree Workshop. So what a cool thing. March 9th is from 1 to 4. Remember that, it's 1 to 4, and it's a wonderful opportunity. Go online to pikeroad.us under the Enhance link and sign up. Make sure you register. Now, March 12th is a big day for planning and being prepared for the summer feeding program. Our prayer team, Pike Road area, your emergency response team, is engaged in helping make sure those in our community that have some desire for or some support needs as it relates to food have a place to go that's right here in Pike Road. Woodland Methodist Church has been such a great leader in this, and they've engaged all the other community worship centers through the prayer team. But you as an individual also welcome to get involved. Contact us at Founder Station. You can call Town Hall, ask for Jennifer Grace Arnold, and she'll make sure that you know about all the details, or you can just email us at info@pikeroad.us. Again, March 12th, that is the prayer team planning meeting for the summer feeding program. March 21st, the Pike Road Business Association has our spring get-together, and this is called Business Over Breakfast. Important things like how to be the best networker you can be, how to understand the value of good communication skills, and even thinking about how we look when we go to a meeting, our attire choices. Just little business tidbits that'll be so important for you and your teammates. So make sure you register, be a part of the Business Association Business Over Biscuits. That'll be fun. March 21st also is the Beginning Beekeeping Ag and Stewardship workshop, and this is something that we want you to think about. In our area, we have a lot of beekeepers, which means we have a lot of local grown honey and a lot of opportunities for us from the business side as well as from the production side. So if you're interested in learning more about it, or if you're in that business, this is hosted by the Ag and Stewardship Committee. It'll have great experts through our extension service that'll be there to increase your knowledge. 4 to 6 on that afternoon, March 21st. And finally, don't forget to organize your teams for April and our spring cleanup. Just giving you a heads up that that's coming up. What a great time to pick a roadside or right away, or pick a place in town and go say, we're going to capture this place and clean it up for a beautiful summer setting in Pike Road. So we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all you do. Pike Road, we will pray for you. We ask that you pray for each other.